सबसे पहले आता है लीनियर पेयर axiom. This axiom states that any two adjacent angles if their sum is 180 degree they form a straight line. Okay, let us visualize this better. मान लीजिए हमारे पास दो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स है पी ओ क्यू and POR. These are the two adjacent angles which suppose measures as 135 degree and 45 degree. Now we see that if we add these two, इनको ऐड करते ही हमें सम 180 डिग्री मिलेगा and then we can easily see with the help of construction mechanism that QOR is a straight line. QOR is a straight line. This is a very important axiom in it because जब भी आपको कोई भी दो ऐसे pairs of angles, adjacent pairs of angles मिलेंगे जिनका सम 180 डिग्री होगा, we can easily assume that their arms, which is not the common arm, they form a straight line. Its corollary जो होगा इसका वो ये होगा कि if any two adjacent angles, let us write it down. Any two adjacent angles, if their non-common arms form a line, their sum is 180 degree. So like we see in this example only, we have angle POQ and angle POR. Let us assume if we look at it the other way, we do not know these measures. Suppose we are just given that angle that QOR is a perfectly straight line, तो हम आराम से ये assume कर सकते हैं कि POR plus POQ जो angles के दोनों measures होंगे वो मिलके हमें 180 डिग्री देंगे, because in this case adjacent angles OP is the common arm and OR and OQ are the non-common arms, but वो लोग straight line बना रहे हैं. So this corollary holds true as well. Moving on. One theorem that when two lines intersect, vertically opposite angles are equal. This is a very important theorem. We'll use this in many questions to come. So ध्यान दीजिए, इसका proof ऐसे होगा. We have two lines which intersect, suppose at the point O, AB and CD. We have to prove that angle AOC equals angle BOD, and similarly for the remaining two angles. How will we do this? First, let us look at line AOB. In line AOB, we see that angle AOC, suppose call it X, and angle COB. I'm calling it y for the time being. We know that x plus y equal to 180 degree from the previous axiom. Similarly, जब हम line COD देखते हैं, let me call this Z, then we get y plus z is equals to 180 degree पिछले axiom से. So we see that x plus y और y plus z दोनों का वैल्यू 180 डिग्री है, तो हम एक दूसरे को इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. When we do, we get x plus y equal to y plus z. So cancelling y from both sides, that is subtracting y, we get x equal to z, or in other words, angle AOC equals to angle BOD. This is a very important result that vertically opposite angles हमेशा equal होते हैं. ये प्रूफ अब 2-3 बार गो थ्रू कीजिएगा, इसको अच्छे से याद कर लीजिएगा. काफ़ी सिंपल है, बस पिछला वाला एग्जियम पता होना चाहिए. Similarly, we can do for angle COB and angle AOD. If we call this W, we get that y equals to W. Okay. Now let's do some questions based on these axioms and theorems. Suppose we are given that two adjacent angles with ratio 5:7 form a line with their non-common arms. Find the angles. How will we proceed? जैसे ये लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स, किसी भी ज्योमेट्री का क्वेश्चन सपोज आपको ऐसे ही मिलता है, आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप ऑलवेज एक पिक्चर डायग्राम बनाने से स्टार्ट कीजिए. इट विल हेल्प यू विजुअलाइज द प्रॉब्लम बेटर और आप इजीली ग्रास्प कर सकते क्या करना होगा. तो हमारे पास एडजेसेंट एंगल्स दिए हुए हैं और उनके नॉन कॉमन हम एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बना रहे हैं. तो सपोज वी ड्रॉ द लाइन फर्स्ट, टेक एनी पॉइंट ऑन इट, सपोज लेट्स से O, and draw a ray. These two then we get as the adjacent angles. Suppose we call it AOC and BOC, we get at the adjacent angles. Now we are given that these angles are in the ratio 5:7. So we know that AOC plus COB is 180 degree, and we have to distribute 180 degree in the ratio 5:7. So it is very easy, using the ratio of using the properties of ratio, we get angle AOC is equals to 5/12 into 180 degree, which we get as 75 degree, and angle BOD we get as 105 degree. So these are what the measures will be. It was a very simple problem. आपको just ये knowledge होनी चाहिए कि जब भी ऐसे adjacent angles एक line बनाते हैं उनके non common arm से, तो उनका sum हमेशा 180 degree होता है. ठीक है. Let's do some more questions. Suppose we are given a line and a point O. Let us call the line POQ. From O, another ray generates OS. Now we have angle POS and QOS. Now we are given that these two have angle bisectors, which are drawn. Suppose R and T. This divide these angles in equal halves. OR divides angle POS in equal halves, and OT divides angle QOS in equal halves. We are given the value of angle POS, let's just suppose it's not a value, let's say it is in terms of x, okay, and we have to find out the value of angle ROT equals to what in terms of x. We have to find out ROT. Now how will we proceed? See, we have angle POS. Let's break angle ROT in what we need. Angle ROT is equal to angle ROS, we get this angle, plus angle SOT. Now we have angle POS given to us as x, and since OR is the angle bisector, each angle POR and ROS both will be x by 2. So we get angle ROS, this is equal to x by 2. Now we have to find out angle SOT. How will we proceed? For that, first we will find out angle QoS. QoS will be 180 minus x, because from the axiom that these two adjacent angles forming a straight line with the non-common arms, we get the sum as 180 degree. So we get angle POS plus angle QoS equal to 180 degree, which implies angle QoS equals to 180 degree minus x, because angle POS was x. Now we have to find out SOT, and since OT is the angle bisector of QoS, उनको पता है कि SOT will be just half of this angle, so we get angle SOT is half of 180 degree minus x, so we get 90 degree minus x by 2. We have found out the individual values of ROS and SOT. All we need is to add them. So we get angle ROT is angle ROS, which is x by 2, plus angle SOT, which is 90 degree minus x by 2. 90 degree minus x by 2. So x by 2 and x by 2 cancel out, and we get angle ROT as 90 degree, which was the answer. We see that the answer does not include any term of x, but that doesn't matter because x cancels out. This is actually a result. ये हम काफ़ी बार देखते हैं ऐसे situations में, जब angle bisect करते हैं और middle वाला angle लेते हैं तो this comes out to be 90 degree. So if you want to, मतलब अगर आपको लगता है कि ये useful है, आप इसको भी याद रख सकते हैं, but it is not that necessary. Let's do another question. मान लीजिए एक पॉइंट के अबाउट हमें 4 रेज दी हुई है. वी हैव द पॉइंट एज O, P, Q, R, S. हमें प्रूव करना है कि sum of all the angles around O is 360 degree. मान लीजिए हम इन एंगल्स को नेम कर देते हैं x, y, z, w. So we have to prove x plus y plus z plus w equal to 360 degree. ये तो डेफिनेटली एक रिजल्ट है कि एक पॉइंट के अबाउट एंगल्स का सम 360 डिग्री होता है. दिस वुड हेल्प यू टू, मतलब आपको ये फ़ायदा करेगा अगर आप ये याद रखें. कमिंग टू द प्रूफ, हाउ विल वी प्रोसीड. हमारे पास जस्ट 4 रैंडम एंगल्स है और हमारे पास कुछ इन्फो नहीं है. सो लेट अस ब्रेक दिस इनटू सेट्स ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइंस एंड एंगल्स अकॉर्डिंगली. सो इससे इजी हो जाएगा बिकॉज हमें पता है कि स्ट्रेट लाइन के अराउंड एंगल 180 डिग्री होता है. तो अगर एक स्ट्रेट लाइन हमारे पास ऐसे है, मान लीजिए विद द पॉइंट O, वी गेट दिस एंगल एज 180 डिग्री, एंड नीचे से देखें तो ये एंगल भी हमारे पास 180 डिग्री हो जाएगा, तो सम 360 डिग्री हो जाएगा. सो इसको ऑफिशियली मतलब फॉर्मली इसको प्रूव करेंगे. तो लेट्स से कि वी एक्सटेंड OP बैकवर्ड्स, एक्सटेंड OP backwards. With that, we get it as Q P R S. Suppose we call this T. Now we see that POT, since being a straight line, the sum of the angles around POT above and below both will be 180 degree. So we will write this as angle POS plus angle QOT. This is equals to 180 degree. For the case below, this was POQ. We write this as angle POS plus angle ROS plus angle ROT. This is equals to 180 degree. When we add this, we add this both equations, so we get angle POQ plus angle QOT plus angle ROT plus angle ROS plus angle POS. This is equals to 360 degree. Now we see that angle QOT plus angle ROT, this angle plus this angle, when we add these two angles, we get QOR, which is Y. So we write this in terms of X, Y, Z, W. We get X plus Y plus Z plus W. We get it as 360 डिग्री. तो ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आप बहुत इनकाउंटर करेंगे. आई सजेस्ट कि आप एक दो गो थ्रू करें, एंड दिस विल मेक यू क्लियर अबाउट ऑल द straight line and the angles 180 degree and 360 degree around them. Okay.